Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Come on with me as I show you this quick protective style that I know anybody, even you, can do. Yes, the low sleek ponytail. Hang out with me as I show you step by step how I achieved this look. So I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, and I'll just be parting the middle of my hair to create the braiding section of the actual ponytail. And as you notice, I'm using the middle frame of my head to kind of create that braid to make sure it sits symmetry and in the middle. And as I stated before, my hair is freshly washed, so it's a little damp, and I'm just, taking my time to be gentle with my hair as I'm trying to construct or create my ponytail. And this is where the braid is going to be. And as you notice, I only went to a third down on my head. I did not take the braid or part my hair all the way down. So I'm taking that section and parting and just putting that up away until I'm ready to braid it later. Using that Eco Styler gel to form my ponytail, putting some of that gel on the edges and near the parts of the braid to create that smooth look, and just using my hair to kind of help create the smoothness on my ponytail. Following up with the bristle brush to smooth that hair down and pulling it all the way to the back using my hands and creating that ponytail at the very nape of my neck. And yes, you've seen me use this method before. This is a regular scrunchie that I have cut, which is the best method for me. And I'm just taking that and wrapping that around that of the ponytail at the base and then tying it together. For me, this is the best method. I cannot use a regular scrunchie to save my life. Either it gets tangled in my hair or I'm just getting it all like tangled up in my hand. So this is the best method for me. So right now I'm just taking that hair that I previously parted in the beginning and just kind of detangling it and getting it ready to form my braid. Using some of that same Eco Styler gel to kind of smooth the side of the braid so it can look nice and sleek. Following it up with the bristle brush, brushing that hair down so I won't have any extra flyaways. And now I'll start to construct the braid. Okay, good people, I'm gonna be so real with y'all. I am not the best braider, but through trial and error, I've been able to do this. And if you're not a good braider, there are many of YouTube channels or YouTube videos that you can look up and actually go through the process in learning how to braid. So right now I'm just creating that braid all the way down to the middle of my hair, being gentle with my tresses because I don't want to create excessive shedding. And I'll go ahead and continue to braid that back and cornrow that back and just braiding that all the way down. And right now I'm braiding my hair all the way down to the length of my hair. And it's just simple as that. And anyone can kind of do this style. I promise you, it is not that difficult. Once you get the braid down and the cornrow down, you're good. So I'm just taking that braid and braiding that all the way down. And now I'll be using the gold hair string. I'm sure you've seen this in your local beauty supply. I'll also try to link a link down below so where you can possibly purchase some of this. I'm using my crochet needle and crocheting the actual gold string through my braid, pulling that one side all the way through first to create the base. And just looking at it, making sure that it's measured in the length of my braid, crocheting one side of this string at a time. And y'all, I'm just eyeballing this. There's no rhyme or reason or science to this. You just go with the flow and you crochet it however you see fit. And I'm just pulling that all the way down through the length of the braid and then through that of the cornrow and taking that all the way down. Then I'll proceed with the other side of the string and just taking that down the braid as well. Same process, easy peasy, y'all. I promise you, simple. You can achieve this look maybe in 20 minutes. This was definitely a good look for me. So once I've braided that or crocheted that down, I then take the excess string and just doing a crisscross motion over that of the plait. Nothing fancy, again, just taking that all the way down to that and just laying the actual plait flat on top of the base of my ponytail, using a bobby pin to secure that braid and taking the extra gold string and then wrapping that around the base of the ponytail. And of course, tucking the excess braid under the ponytail and creating that of a small bow. I wanted to create a little bit more pop, so I used extra gold string to go around the base of my ponytail and then just tied it in an extra bow. And yes, I have to take special care of my edges using my toothbrush to kind of smooth those baby hairs down, making sure my edges are laid because we want to make sure of that. And then using my silk scarf to kind of tie that down and shape and mold the ponytail. And that's pretty much it. So here I am, probably about an hour later, and I'm taking my scarf off. And voila, this is it, good people. I love it. This was so cute, dainty, definitely good for the day, and definitely easy to do. Trust me, you can do it. So go ahead, good people, and do me a favor and hit that notifications button down below so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I want you to come back and hang out with me. So that's it, good people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.